two types of tea, A and B, are mixed and then sold at rupees 40 per kg, the profit is 10% if A and B are mixed in the ratio 3:2 and 5% if this ratio is 2:3. The cost price per kg of A and B are in the ratio. So let me just assume that the cost price of A is rupees A per kg and cost price of B is rupees B per kg. Now there are two scenarios. So in first scenario, SP is rupees 40 per kg and the profit is 10% if these two teas are mixed in the ratio of 3:2. So if we take profit is 10%, then CP will be 40 by 1.1 rupees per kg, because if we want to understand it further, 40 is equal to CP plus 10 by 100 of CP, because profit is 10%. From here we get 1.1 CP is equal to 40, or CP will be 40 by 1.1. Now, if I also want to equate this CP in terms of prices and quantities of tea A and B, so we have to take ratio of the quantity of tea A is to tea B as 3:2. So I can take 3x and 2x as the quantity of A and B. So I'm just taking quantity of A is 3x kg, quantity of B is 2x kg. Now what will be the CP? So by this we have got CP as 40 by 1.1. That we can also equate to quantity of A into price of A, which is 3xa, plus quantity of B into price of B, that will be 2x into B, so 2xB. So this is the cost price of 3x plus 2x, that is 5x. We want to find out price of 1 kg, so that will be divided by 5x. So this x will get cancelled in numerator and denominator, so we can just write it as 40 by 1.1 is equal to 3a plus 2b by 5. Similarly, we can do for the second ratio. So in second ratio, profit is equal to 5%. So I'm just taking it here. Profit is 5% in second scenario. So CP becomes 40 by 1.05. And we have to take A is to B in the ratio of 2:3. So I'm just taking A as 2y kgs and B as 3y kgs. So if I take by price and quantity method, the cost price of 1 kg will be 2y into A plus 3y into B by 2y plus 3y. So that will be 5y. That is also equal to 40 by 1.05. Here also y gets cancelled from numerator and denominator. So we can take 40 by 1.05. That is equal to 2a plus 3b by 5. So we have got two equations and we have to find out the ratio of prices of A and B. So let me just take it as first equation. This as second equation. We can do 1 divided by 2. So when we divide, 40 gets cancelled. And this 1.05 comes in the numerator. So 1.05 by 1.1. That is equal to 3a plus 2b divided by 2a plus 3b. This leads to 1.05. I'm just cross multiplying. 2a plus 3b is equal to 1.1 into 3a plus 2b. We can cancel by 5 here. So 5 into 21 times, 5 into 2 times. That is 2a plus 3b. I'm just taking this 11 inside. So 11 into 3 is 33a plus 22b. This is 42a plus 63b is equal to 66a plus 44b. Or we get A by B as 19 by 24. So answer for the question is 19:24.